Alright, so we're setting up to do lunch, seaside. Fish and chips would have been perfect for today. Yeah, but alas, no fish and chips. So I got my camera literally strapped to a tree branch, so if it's rocking around, that's why. I didn't bring my tripod, because you know, 6 pounds. Didn't really want to lug it around. So what did you bring for lunch? Oh, that meal.
Russian deal.
Yeah, okay.
And I've got back some Russian crackers and that fake eggplant caviar. Yeah, caviar and Russian. Horrible Russian crackers.
Yeah, they're pretty stale.
A piece of spam.
So I got this Stanley cook and prep set.
Those are nice.
Yeah, it was on clearance at REI. It was $10 off. Like I scored it for 20 bucks.
Yeah, so that's, yeah. I think when we first met Pam and we were gonna go camping or something, I think I bought one of those. And we actually kind of, it wasn't really a date, but we came down here together.
Yeah.
And I cooked some lunch on this stove.
Nice.
As a matter of fact, I used like some ground meat that I had and a little package of, you know, Knorr's pasta, but it was a stroganoff flavor. And we ate lunch in those bowls. I used that cook set to make us lunch.
Nice. I got some Texas Pete if you want to cook, kick up your
That's good.
You want to try some Texas Pete? So I have Knorr Mexican rice. And I have a can of pulled pork. Hell yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Pulled pork and Mexican rice. So Knorr Mexican rice and pulled pork. Yeah, it's a can, but you know, 10 ounces. It should be good. Okay. So I decided to carry a little fire kit on my person at all times. So it's a Altoids tin with reflective tape, so it doubles as a signaling device. And I have a zip fire starter, matches, and a lighter. And I just threw it in a zip top bag just to keep the you know, the water out of it, extra water out of it. Yeah, I didn't like it. Didn't like it, didn't even finish it.
This is something Russians eat a lot. Hey, we're having a party tonight. I need to forget to pick up the eggplant kit.
Could be, I mean. Cheers.
Buy any P38s because next time I see you, I got one.
I actually don't know one.
They're pretty handy. I think they're a lot easier to use than like Swiss Army knife has a can opener, but it's a push forward design. And the P38's a pull, and I think the P38's easier. But I got the bigger one. I got the P38's and the, I think they call them P51s and P52s, the larger can opener.
Yeah. Well, here's the pork. Pulled pork, fully cooked, ready to eat. Smells pretty good too.
Mexican Knorr rice.
Oh yeah. I'm actually really liking this pot. Because it has a nice big bottom. It's really cooking really well.
Distributing heat has a long, nice handle.
Nice
Everything
long
packs
handle.
back into the pot when you're done.
You can rinse it out in the water.
Right though, while we're in here, made that beef stew on the transit. That's the bottom.
Oh yeah.
Lost power. It's ironic. I took all this camping stuff, so I wanted to make lunch on the camp stove. Got back to the rental, the fire was out. It'll work out though.
Right on. I would have asked Fernbart to come along, except he gets off at 10, so.
Oh, this morning?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm not knowing that. We could have pushed out Lincoln. We could have pushed back to Lincoln by an hour if we wanted to. Well, we'd still take it from a lot of people.
Yeah, I don't know where his last run is. I'd have to talk to him.
What's he doing?
Yeah. We'll tell you when the camera's off.
Yeah, I remember last time we got together with Sonny, he said he just
He works like, gets up crazy early and it might actually be done. A little bit of stickage, but it's sticking everything up really nice. You want to use my burner?
Oh, I'm good, thanks. It's cooking now, you can hear it.
Oh, cool. Oh, the aluminum tray is great for a pot stand or a pot placement. See that? Keeps it up off the ground. And
Is that a separate purchase or you come with it?
separate purchase. I actually bought that at a restaurant store in Fife.
Okay.
You know how much it cost me? $2.30 after tax. It's a 6-inch pizza pan.
Oh,
It
okay.
gave me the idea because I was looking at plates at REI and they're like $5, $6, and they're plastic, and I'm like, plastic, $6. And then I'm like, wait a minute, what about pizza pan? So I went over to the cash and carry, but they only had 10 and 12-inch. Damn it! So I looked online for a restaurant supply store, found one in Burien. I almost couldn't buy it because they didn't have a license. I'm like, oh man, really? I waited in line. This guy ahead of me must have a cart full of stuff, boxes. I'm like, all right, he's almost done. Great. And he goes, hey, wait, those avocados, those are $1 cheaper on the listing. I'm like, no. And he stood there and he argued over $1. I'm like, I'll give you the $1 if you just go.
Yeah.
Here, just take $1. Honest, $1 for you. Just get out of line. So I waited and waited, and finally I got up there. She's like, that's it? I'm like, yep. She, can I see your license? I'm like, license? I'm like, really? To buy a pan? Like, I'll trade you the money for the pan, please? So she's like, yeah, I'll just give you a temporary lease.
So she hooked you up?
Yeah, they have a whole, they have a whole department of kitchen stuff. The pan's only $3 or 3 ounces. So I can eat off it, use it for a stove tray. Show the camera. Here is the finished product. Looks pretty tasty. It's really tasty, actually.
Well, they need to bring the windshield with this time. It's still going to get affected a little bit. Hey, let's see my hair from when I use arrow. Would you like a little bit of this?
Try a little bit.
Spoonfuls?
Maybe a small scoop. That should splash on that. Oh, I'll just clean it.
I brought both of them, so I figured why not use them. One thing I don't like about Knorr is they can be pretty filling. Well, they're very price right. Like some Texas Pete hot sauce?
Sure.
So, for Carolina Chris, we have some Texas Pete hot sauce. Oh yeah. Say when.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Cooking rice.
Alright, give it a taste.
Look at the spot.
Oh, that's good. Mmm. Yeah, that's really good. I like this.